Guess who it is again? We're taking apart this camper. It'll be day 4. And we're just going to do a little stop animation as I go, see where we end up. Well, we did pretty good. We got a lot of stuff out of there. I cut up the refrigerator so I can bag it. I gotta leave some of this stuff in the front of the trailer so it doesn't tip over. So I've got that full bag. I got the garbage can full. And I got some stuff in my pickup. That's probably about all I can do today. I accidentally, while I was cutting up the fridge, hit the refrigeration line, which for these RV fridges is ammonia and something else. I think maybe alcohol or something. They're evaporative. It's not regular Freon. So it stinks quite a bit in the trailer right now. I was wearing a mask because it's moldy in there. I'm done for the day. Thanks for watching.